When you're ready to enter the workforce, you're most likely excited, apprehensive, and a little driven. I know I was, as I started out teaching high school science because that's what my education was for, or at least I thought. Did I check all the boxes on the job description? I'm here to tell you, you check enough. Do I have enough experience if this is my first job? Yes, and you will gain more every day. Or will they like me? Of course they will. What's not to like? Hi, my name is Monica Hoffman, and I'm a director for talent management and recruiting at Harman. High school to large global tech company. Well, yes. And it took some time after working in pharmaceuticals, engineering, retail, and now tech to realize I had the skills, network, and drive to do more than what was in the job description and how it initially made me think. From the first job to many more after that. Did you know job descriptions are just an ideal scenario? Most women don't even apply if they don't have at least 80% of the requirements. But on the average, men apply with 40% of the requirements. As I gained new knowledge through challenges and successes, I grew as a professional, collaborator, and female within the corporate world. I learned from a manager that made me feel smaller than anyone should at the workplace. I grew after reflecting on how, as a manager, I kept an employee from growing. I realized as a leader, I enjoyed building individuals, teams, and progress. Yet most of all, I discovered I can do more than what I'm doing, always, and so can you. One crucial key to success is a network of people you know. Your coworkers know, your friends know, your family knows. I could never have gotten to where I am today without the people that have inspired me, connected me, supported me, and ultimately took a chance on me. Returning that to as many women as I can only multiplies the impact my network has on me. Start with one person and get connected with two people they know. Then after that, connect with them and meet two people they introduced you to. Continue expanding your network each and every day, as you will be surprised how it comes full circle down the road. As you take advantage of incredible events like the Technovation Career Summit, you are well on your way to a successful future. Congratulations. Remember, take time out for you as you continue to learn and develop yourself, like today. Be on the lookout for important topics to focus on. One area you might consider is negotiation skills for women. It is important to know what you want, what you are worth, and how you add value, and to stand your ground because you deserve it, and don't let anyone tell you differently. Your future depends on you, so dream big, set your sights high, and go out there to show the world you are as fabulous as you know you are. Have a great day.